Hi, friends. In fact, today we are going to be talking about don't be perfect. Stop being perfect as parents. It's the greatest mistake that we all do. You know what happens when you are absolutely a perfect parent, wanting results from your children? It leads into pressure. His self esteem goes low and his self image still goes down. So I tell you that parents, please stop being perfect. Perfection does not get them anywhere, it only adds to their pressure. In fact, it's believed that 28% of the teenagers go through the pressure of parents being perfect. Let me reiterate this with an example to you. Let us say that it is a rainy day and your child has forgotten an umbrella at school. First thing you say, where is the umbrella? And then she says, probably, oh my God, I forgot it at school. The first reply to it is, you're always like this. Why can't you be perfect? Now, by doing this, the self esteem of the child goes down, and all that it results is a low self esteem, and this leads into pressure, accumulates as a pressure. Can we not handle this in a better manner? We should. Don't you think so? After all, it's an umbrella. In fact, I'm one of those particular perfect parent, who always believed in perfection. आज तो मैं ज्ञान बांट रही हूँ, but then formally, when I was a parent, I was such a perfect parent. In fact, I still remember one occasion. I always believe that parents can also fail. And once they fail, let us admit a failure. It so happened that my son was preparing for his board exam. My son was very obedient son because brought up between two perfect parents. He was preparing for his board exam, and probably it was his physics paper, which was the most toughest paper that he was preparing in. And I was worried about his admission in college. So as soon as I walked in, I just knocked at his room and then I asked him, hey, what if you don't get into this particular college? That's it. He sprang onto me and then he shouted at me. I did not know why I was taken aback. I came back crying. But soon thereafter, I realized by mistake that was not the occasion. Am I right? That was not the situation where I could have just asked him for it. And then I went back to him, saying sorry to him. I was very apologetical about what I did. There is no harm in saying sorry to your own child because children also learns that failure can happen with anybody. So let's not be perfect. Failures can also be there in your card. Think about it. Let's meet another day. Thank you.